Today we are back in the Black Forest, and this time we are at the Gertelbach Waterfalls. So, as I mentioned, we are already back in the Black Forest, and yeah, we haven't been to waterfalls for quite some time now. We actually wanted to visit some waterfalls in Bavaria, but the plan was cancelled because of the weather. We went straight home afterwards, so we decided to take advantage of the nice weather and yeah, go to the waterfalls here in the Black Forest. I have no idea where we have to go, but behind me is a map. Let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look. We are up there, and as you can see, somewhere along here, Gertelbach House. Oh, yeah, I have no idea. But there's this hiking trail along the river, and somewhere along there are also the waterfalls. And as you can see, if you want to continue, there are also some viewpoints on top of the mountains around here. But I'm not quite sure where we have to go, so let's just take a look and see where this road takes us. It's a nice trail here along that small river. It's mostly in the forest, and there are many or quite a few of these obstacles, like these rocks back there. And yeah, it's really fun. It's a nice trail, and I think we should almost be there. I'm not quite sure, but here, check it out. It's really nice. Nice trail, huh?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Then let's move on.
How was it?
Made it. Nice. It's a nice trail up here, all the way to the waterfalls. Okay, I think we are finally here. I'm not quite sure, but I think we are here now at the lower part of the falls. As you can see, there they are. Look really nice, huh? And hold on. The falls are actually not that big, but as you can see, there are over many levels, and up there somewhere is another bridge, and there should be more waterfall. And the way up here was also really nice. We came from down there. There are many obstacles, small bridges over the river here, over this small river, and yeah, it's really fun. They said it's just 1 kilometer, or based on that sign down there, it's just 1 kilometer, but it's a really nice trail up here, and it took surprisingly long for just 1 kilometer, but yeah, it's really nice. I think we go further up now and see if there's more waterfall. So let's take a look around. So we found this nice rock here. Watch out. Angel, what are you doing down there?
I'll make pictures.
Making photos.
Yeah.
It's nice up here.
Yeah, it's also high.
Yes, it is. I think we made it now all the way up to the last part of the waterfall. It's here behind me. Honestly, I was expecting something different, that there was at least one bigger waterfall in between. But instead of one big waterfall, it's actually many small ones here all the way along the river, down the hill. And I'm not quite sure why there isn't one big waterfall. It might be because it's summer and there's not that much water here in the river. On the pictures it looks different, to be honest. But stone. But it's still a very nice trail. It's a beautiful forest here, and the waterfall and the river, it's also really nice. I'm glad we came here. I think we've been now to almost every waterfall here in the northern part of the Black Forest. And to be honest, this trail is one of my favorites we've been so far. And yeah, it's nice. I think we're gonna make a short break. I need to get dry feet. I was jumping around on the stones, slipped and off into the water. But good thing it's summer, feet will be dry again pretty quick, I guess. I actually wanted to take some photos. You can take really nice photos here. Here are 2 or 3 examples. I'm not really a good photographer. I barely do photography, to be honest. But I think they turned out pretty good. And yeah, we're gonna make a short break here and then probably go back down again. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like or a comment. If you want to see more of our vlogs, click on one of these videos over here or subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys there.